not all cases of infertility is complicated. Sometimes it's just very simple shifts that we need to make to kind of help us get the maximum results that we are looking for. For you, it might be you are chronically sleep deprived and your body is asking you for sleep, because whether we like it or not, the modern way of living, us now as women, we work long hours. Some of us even work at night. Our body is kind of disrupted. So it might be that your body is asking you for sleep. I speak to a lot of women, and sometimes what I hear is, oh, if I'm able to get 5 to 6 hours of sleep, that's me. In this case, you are not actually nourishing yourself with sleep. You're not replenishing, because during the hours of the night, that's when the body is healing. That's when tissues are repairing. It's also the time that your body is using up the resources that you give it during the day to kind of help to heal tissues, balance hormones. So sleep is very important. Your liver in the first place is not kind of processing properly. Also, you will have some digestive problems. Also have problems shifting weight, dysregulated menstrual cycle, disrupted ovulation, and you will be stressed chronically because your body is not getting that sleep. Chronic headaches, chronic stress. The first system in your body that will go into shutdown will be your reproductive system, because at that time, the body is not actually thinking of bringing a baby, because the environment is not ideal for a baby to actually come into. What I advise is like 8 hours of sleep most nights. I know there are nights, maybe once a week, that you probably will not be able to get this amount of sleep, but at least if you're getting minimum of 7 hours to 8 hours of sleep every single day or night, that will really make a massive difference for you. Also, some of us are kind of chronically dehydrated. We're not drinking enough fluid, and this is not strange. I've heard it a lot of times. Some of us don't remember to drink at least 8 glasses of water, clean filtered water daily. This will make also a massive difference for you. 8 glasses of water, 250 mils each glass, will give you about 2 liters. What I usually advise is kind of buy a water bottle. It might be, if you can get the 2 liters water bottle, you can get a 1 liter one that you can refill. That would also be really good for you. If it's a 1 liter bottle, you fill it up in the morning. If you're going to work, take this with you to work and drink it all. And then refill it to another 1 liter. And that's you getting your 2 liters for the day. This is quite easy way for you to stay compliant with making sure that you are drinking enough water. Water is good because it just helps to keep things moving in your body. This third one that I'm going to share with you is not so basic for everybody, because not everyone is able to fit exercise into their lifestyle. But exercise, as some form of exercise, will really be good for you, because we don't want to live sedentary life. The body needs to move. For example, you go to work in the morning and you sit in front of your computer all day. And then from there, the only time you get up and move is probably when you are going to make a cup of tea or you're going to your colleague's table. Even some people, when they're on their break, they still sit on their desk and eat their food during lunch time. When you finish work, your partner will come and pick you up. So what time do you actually have to move? Some kind of movement is good. It doesn't have to be vigorous. It doesn't have to be kind of strenuous. It might just be you walking every day for 30 to 45 minutes every day. It can be just doing some gentle stretches. If you are someone who you don't enjoy gentle exercises, if you're someone who likes kind of aerobic exercises, there are lots of them. When you wake up in the morning, you can just run on the spot or do some kind of steps. You're doing exercise, you kind of lifting your hands up and down at the same time, or you're jumping or you're jogging, and also having a wonderful mindset, a positive mindset, because honestly, sometimes kind of jump these basic things and we start to kind of reach out to, oh, what kind of supplement will I take? What kind of diet do I need to eat? What kind of herbs do I need to take? Oh, maybe I should go and do IVF. Maybe, but we have actually kind of missed out the basic things that we need to start to do that are kind of more foundational, that would help you to get maximum results if you then add the supplements, if you then add the herbs, if you then add the healthy diet into it, it will make a massive difference for you. Having the right mindset is very, very important. Shifting your mindset from negativity to positivity will make a lot of difference. Conclude in your mind that, you know, you are fertile and that you will conceive, that your body is a fertile place, your womb is fertile, your cycle is kind of regulated, you are ovulating regularly on time and not too late. Whatever treatment you're doing, if you're going through the IVF process, that treatment is going to work for you. This is going to make a massive difference. Positivity is what we really need in life. Also, another thing is you must not speak negative about your situation. Even though things might not be going right for you, the things that you're saying are not the way you want them to be, but you must not kind of speak it in with your mouth or from your mouth. Always speak positive about your fertility, about your outcome. Speak it out, and continuously it's going to be your experience. Not every couple that starts to try to conceive will conceive within 2 months, or will conceive within 1 month, or will conceive within 3 months. But some people, it takes longer, okay? And this is where you need to know that you are unique. Consistency is always the best thing ever. Doing something so consistently will give you the best results. It might take 6 months for you. It might take 1 year. A few percentage of women that start to try to conceive will conceive within 3 months. Anyway, majority of people will conceive within 1 year, or even some will conceive within 18 months of trying consistently. This is something for you to bear at the back of your mind, and don't be so quick to kind of give yourself that diagnosis of infertility, especially if you have just only started out trying. I hope this helps you. And if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer questions. And if you wanted more support, take advantage of my 30 minutes fertility analysis consultation. It's actually free of charge, and you will be surprised, or you will be amazed at the amount of information you will actually get to learn about yourself and your situation during that course. I cannot wait to connect with you.